Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open the split screen on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So in order to do that, first we need to open the background apps. If you have the 3-button navigation, then of course you need to use this button over here. And if you use gestures, then you need to swipe from the bottom to the middle, and you need to hold the finger for like a second, and then you should be able to open the background apps as well. Now, in order to open split screen, first we need to select the first app that will be used for the split screen. So let's say I'm going to use this one. Tap on the arrow at the top. Let's give it one more try. There we go. And now we need to select split tab. Now we need to select another app that will be used at the bottom. So let's say I'm gonna choose YouTube. And there we go. Now I can use 2 apps at the same time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.